slight bad news. Freaking all your gauges stuff stopped working.
What?
Yeah, so like the speedometer wasn't going, the shifter and the turn signal. I'm like, damn.
Everything stopped working?
Yeah.
What up, guys? We are back with another video. Woo! And right now we're on our way to meet up with the homie, one of the subscribers, and then we're gonna hang out tonight, or hang out pretty much until bike night. I got new gloves. This I'm not used to my freaking pinky and other finger being together, so now I gotta get used to this whole 2-finger thing. But I gotta get good with my fingers anyway, so. It feels so weird having my fingers stuck together. Now, like, what the fuck? This is weird. Get some practice. I got like 3 drops of water on my freaking, oh, this is our turn. I don't want to disclose the address, so we'll see you guys when we hit the road. What up, guys? We are back. We met up with the homie. He let me take his bike out. This thing is sick. 2022 Gixxer 1000, not the R, no R, but it's still pretty quick. Sounds good. Mine sounds better. Oh my God, you don't have to push the clutch. He's out on the third person. This thing is sick. This thing is clean. How far are you trying to go? You want to open it up? You want to open it up? Alright, we'll hit the highway.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, guys. Holy crap. It's so smooth. I want to take it real easy. It's not really my bike, so I want to kind of chill out a little bit. But this thing is sweet. Holy crap, guys. This thing is freaking sweet. Like, I thought my bike was fast. This thing smokes my bike. There she goes. That's my little party girl. It's a little bit rainy out here. It's supposed to just pass, I hope. Yeah. That's the homie Marky right there. Oh man, look at her. I ain't never really seen anyone else ride my bike but me. You get on the highway up here. Oh, it's a little wet. Holy crap. Torquey all the way down. wet out here, guys, so we're gonna take it back real quick. Oh, the rain is ruining all the fun. Oh shit. Dude, like I know, but I was like, what? No! Crazy, bro. Crazy. Gear pulls be like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. This thing is a freaking monster. Shout out to Marky for letting me take this bad boy out. Holy crap. This thing, it just blown. Absolutely toasted. That's crazy. That is insane. It's just, oh my god, I can't even like replicate the sounds that it makes. It is just that crazy. It is just that crazy. Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't even know what to say. I have no idea what to say. Like, I thought my bike was like, oh man, dude, 750s are quick. I don't touch this thing at all, bro. Not even close.
Slight bad news. Freaking all your gauges stuff stopped working.
What?
Yeah, so like the speedometer wasn't going, the shifter and the turn signal. I'm like, damn.
Everything stopped working?
Yeah. I'm like, maybe you had to turn it off and something.
The old little reset.
Oh, there you go.
Is it in gear? No, it's in neutral.
Yeah, it's in neutral now. I had to fill it out.
Interesting. Huh.
I was like, oh shit, I was like trying to hit the turn signal. I'm like, damn, I'm stuck at 40 miles an hour for a long time.
He doesn't go past 40?
For a minute, it didn't go to head. It stayed at 40.
Oh, no.
But it was going faster, but the speedometer said 40. Yeah, everything on here had like stopped, like frozen time. I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, oh shit, I hope I ain't broke my man's bike.